from the sky that stretches beyond our dreams, and from the deep ocean, which full of mystery. We see the magical colors of the sky and the ocean. We try to find the perfect balance between what the universe provides and what humans can imagine. We pave the way to share the knowledge of making blue color on botanical print. In this course, we will take you through every step of creating blue botanical prints with Indigo. There will be a demonstration so you will easy to understand how to prepare the equipment and material that will make you easy to practice. You will learn how to make indigo dye for this technique, choosing the right fabric, and plant characteristics for this technique event the plant doesn't know color, to show it will print beautifully. You can get light to the deep blue color of indigo dye, or combine it with other natural dyes and tannins with an innovative way. Come and join us. So blue your botanical print with natural indigo dye. When we unlock the secret